What if we told you that cutting-edge tech, like artificial intelligence, is helping save endangered animals? No, this isn't a futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. It's from an AI-powered drones, safeguarding elephants, to 3D printing a rhino's horn, innovation is charging to the rescue. It's not just about high-tech interventions. It's also about shedding light on the threats animals face through data-driven investigations. So join us as we explore how the animal kingdom is getting an assist from some seriously cool tech. The stakes are high, the challenges are real, but so are the rewards. So let's dive in and see how these incredible innovations are making a difference. And be sure to stick around until the end, because we've saved the coolest for last. First up, we have to talk about the AI-powered drones that are helping protect elephants. Elephants, as you probably know, are facing a lot of threats, including poaching. To help combat this, a company called Drone Shield has developed a drone shield that can patrol large areas of land and spot poachers before they do any harm. These drones fly along predetermined paths, taking aerial photographs every few minutes. Then the AI takes over. It analyzes each image, looking for things like people carrying guns or strange tire tracks. If anything suspicious is spotted, the drone sends a signal to the rangers, who can then investigate further. What's really cool about this technology is that it's much more efficient than traditional methods. The drones can cover a lot of ground very quickly, and the AI is able to analyze the images almost instantly. This means that poachers don't have much time to react if they're caught. In fact, the technology has already been used to stop poachers in their tracks. The rangers credit the technology with saving many elephant lives. But wait, there's more. These AI-powered drones aren't just used for spotting poachers. They're also helping researchers learn more about elephant behavior. For example, the drones can track elephants as they move around their habitat, which helps scientists better understand their migration patterns. This information is essential for conservation efforts, as it allows experts to identify areas that are important for elephants but are under threat from human activity. Overall, this technology is a major win for elephant conservation. It's helping to protect these majestic creatures from poachers, while also providing valuable information for researchers. As AI continues to develop, we can expect to see even more applications for its use in protecting elephants and other endangered species. Next, let's talk about the robot that can't mimic a bird's movement. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania have created a robot that can mimic the movement of a red-winged blackbird. The robot, which is about the size of a sparrow, uses a combination of computer vision, machine learning, and control algorithms to replicate the bird's flight and landing. One of the most impressive things about this technology is its ability to mimic the bird's flight. The robot can fly in a variety of conditions, including windy environments, and it can even recover from unexpected disturbances. This is all thanks to a combination of computer vision and machine learning algorithms that allow the robot to plan its flight path and make adjustments in real time. Another impressive aspect of this technology is its ability to mimic the bird's landing. The robot uses a combination of computer vision and control algorithms to land on a thin wire, a task that requires a high degree of precision and balance. The researchers believe that this technology could have a number of applications in the field of robotics, including the development of robots that can fly and land in complex environments. Additionally, by studying the flight and landing behavior of birds, researchers hope to gain a better understanding of how to design more efficient and robust flying machines. Okay, moving on, let us discuss the project that aims to save the Amur leopard by using camera traps and deep learning. As you might know, the Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats in the world, with only around 100 individuals left in the wild. To protect this endangered species, a project called Life Science has been launched with the goal of counting the number of leopards in the Russian Far East and identifying the areas they inhabit. The project uses camera traps to monitor the leopard's movements and deep learning algorithms to analyze the images captured by the traps. Here's how it works. Camera traps are set up in areas where the leopards are known to live, and they automatically take pictures when the animal passes by. The images are then sent to a central server, where deep learning algorithms are used to identify the leopards and track their movements. This technology is a major step forward for Amur leopard conservation, because it provides a non-invasive way to monitor the population. In the past, researchers had to rely on traditional methods such as direct observation and radio tracking, which are time-consuming and expensive. By using camera traps and deep learning, researchers can collect data on the leopard's population and habitat use more efficiently and accurately. The information gathered through this technology is being used to develop conservation plans to protect the remaining Amur leopards and their habitat. The project is still in its early stages, but the results so far are promising. With the help of innovative technology, there is hope for the future of the Amur leopard. Alright, let's move on to something truly remarkable: the use of 3D printed horns to protect rhinos from poachers. Poachers often target rhinos for their horns, which are highly valued in some cultures for their supposed medicinal properties. This has led to a drastic decline in rhino populations. But there is hope on the horizon. A new approach to rhino conservation involves fitting them with 3D printed horns. That's right. These horns are not the real deal, but they remade from a lightweight composite material that looks and feels just like a real rhino horn. The idea behind this is to give rhinos a sense of security while removing the incentive for poachers to hunt them. Instead of going after live rhinos, poachers can simply take the 3D printed horn and be none the wiser. This approach has already been tested with great success. In a trial run, 10 rhinos were fitted with the 3D printed horns, and none of them were poached, unlike a nearby group of rhinos that were not fitted with the horns, and several of which were killed by poachers. This technology is a game-changer in the fight to save rhinos from extinction. It's a creative solution to a persistent problem that has already proven effective in protecting these magnificent creatures. Okay, next up, let's talk about the shoe sole that alerts you to snakes. We all know snakes can be dangerous, but what if there was a way to stay safe without having to carry around a snake detector or wear protective clothing? Well, thanks to some pretty smart engineering, there now is. Meet the world's first snake-detecting shoe sole. This innovative invention is the brainchild of a team of engineers and scientists who wanted to create a simple, accessible way to alert people to the presence of snakes. The way it works is pretty simple, yet genius. The sole of the shoe contains a series of sensors that detect the vibrations produced by snakes as they move. When a snake is detected, the shoe's alarm system is triggered, alerting the wearer to the danger. But it doesn't stop there. The sensors are also able to identify the type of snake and provide information on how to safely deal with the situation. Whether you're hiking in the woods, gardening in your backyard, or just walking down the street, this shoe sole is a must-have for anyone who wants to stay safe from snakes. So if you live in a snake-prone area, or just want to be prepared for anything, these shoes are definitely worth checking out. And finally, let's talk about the AI-powered binoculars that can spot tigers in the wild. Tigers are facing a number of threats, including habitat loss and poaching. To help protect these majestic creatures, a team of engineers and conservationists have developed a pair of AI-powered binoculars that can spot tigers in the wild. These high-tech binoculars use computer vision and machine learning algorithms to scan the forest floor and identify tigers. The algorithm is trained on a massive database of images and can detect tigers even in dense underbrush. These high-tech binoculars can be used by park rangers and conservationists to monitor tiger populations and identify areas where they are most active. This information can then be used to develop strategies to protect tigers and their habitats. Not only does this technology help protect tigers, but it also allows researchers to collect valuable data on their behavior and movements. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation plans and ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures. And there you have it. From AI-powered drones to 3D printed rhino horns, technology is playing a huge role in protecting endangered animals. It's a thrilling time to be alive, and these innovations give us hope for the future of our planet's biodiversity. Which innovation impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.